Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is industrial automation. Rockwell, who is the global leader in industrial automation and digital transformation, is going to be investing $2 billion over the next 5 years. Quite an impressive amount. And what is that going to be in? Well, 3 key areas. Number 1 is to expand capacity in their Wisconsin and Ohio facilities to increase output and productivity. Number 2 is to perform some digital automation upgrades, such as industrial AI and model predictive control. And number 3, quite critically, is workforce development. They're looking at hiring and upskilling their teams on these advanced automation systems. So what has all this meant so far? Well, they've already achieved $360 million in cost savings in just a little over a year. But more importantly, we should be thinking about what to take away from this. We should all be looking at key investments in industrial automation and advanced technologies, smart factories, to figure out how we can scale up meeting customer needs in a way that's profitable and more increased productivity and engaging and empowering your people in the process.